This video will show you how a manager, tutor, or assistant tutor marks attendance for the Upskill program in SQL Vision. Today marks the beginning of the Upskill program, and Vivian is responsible for tracking attendance. She needs to ensure that everyone who has arrived to participate is marked present, making it easier for the team to manage and monitor the program's progress. When Vivian opens SQL Vision, she is presented with an intuitive dashboard with various options. She selects Maintain Upskill and is taken to the section where she can effortlessly track and record the attendance of participants for the Upskill program. She navigates to Ongoing and selects the Upskill program she needs to manage. From there, she can easily mark the attendance of the participants, ensuring everything is up to date and well organized. Then, Vivian clicks on the Attendance button to mark the participants' attendance, ensuring that each one is properly recorded for the Upskill program. Select Absent to begin marking attendance for the participants. To easily organize the participants, you can filter them by department, branch, and other criteria by clicking the filter icon. Vivian selects the participants' names and clicks Check-in to mark their attendance, confirming that they have arrived for the Upskill program. She can review the participants who have successfully marked their attendance under the Check-in tab, ensuring everything is accurately recorded. After Vivian checks in the attendance for the participants, she can see the total number of attendees who have marked their presence, providing a clear overview of the session. With SQL Vision, managing attendance for the Upskill program becomes seamless and efficient. Accounts with the right permissions can easily track attendance, check in participants, and view the total number of attendees with just a few clicks, ensuring smooth operations and accurate records every time.